Hello, my good people. Welcome back to the Digital Mom channel. How was your week? How was the weekend? It was good on my side. It went well. I had fun with the family. And now I'm back to the topic. So today I want us to look to the top 5 free productivity tools you need in 2025. It is this because most of the people they used to call me and send me messages asking me which tool can I use for this? And when I recommend, they say, aren't they charging some money? And this motivates me to do this video about the 5 top productivity tools that you need in 2025. This is perfect for the moms, for the virtual assistants, and for the remote workers, and for the beginners as well. So, why productive tools matters? These tools they are going to help us to stay organized and reduce stress as well. They are going to help us boost our digital career from home or from wherever without leaving the office. They are free tools that can replace expensive apps. These days we are finding alternatives. We don't have to pay much money on tools while internet have got us some free tools. So we're going to start with the tool number 1, which is the Google Calendar. And I would first recommend, if you didn't watch the video about the Google Calendar that has been posted on Thursday, to go back and then watch the video, know how it works. Yeah, and then start using it. So Google Calendar, why do we need it? We need it just to schedule the tasks, the events, and the routines as we have discussed, to set reminders and recurring tasks, and to sync across all the devices. It is very powerful because it's supportable in almost of the devices. Whatever phone you're using, be it Android, be it iPhone, you can still access your Google Calendar. Be it a machine, whatever brand of the machine, it still supports the Google Calendar and it still functions perfectly with all these three main tasks of each. The tool number 2 that you need to have Notion. Notion is free and it is going to help you plan for the content if you're doing something related to content creation as me, to help you take notes. If you are a professional person, you do attend many meetings, you need to take some notes. So Notion has Galley for this, and to journal your work. All in one, it is an all-in-one workspace. Actually, I love Notion. It has become my second office actually. It's an all-in-one workspace. You can use planner in Notion, wiki and database as well. It is free for personal use with powerful templates. This is the best part of it. Whatever template that you might need, Notion has got you. Be it a design template, be it a writing template, you can use your Notion for free. You just have to go www.notion.com and then you register. You have your Notion account, and then you can keep using Notion without paying much money. Okay, so the tool number 3, it is Trello or ClickUp. This is very good for people who are doing projects. So Trello is very good because it gives you visual task management boards. You can access boards for free, and the boards are visual, like they have a lot of images, a lot of colors, like it decorates the management boards. Then it is perfect for personal and team use as well. You can use it personally or you can share it with your team. You don't need to to borrow the space to work from with your team. You just need to have the Trello account, then you share the access with your team members, then you go on. You can do your project on Trello. So you can access Trello by clicking www.trello.com. And then you go on. You use the list boards and calendar view. And I love the boards which have lists. So Trello is a good board since you can have lists from there. You can do your listing. Okay. So the tool number 4 is Canva. Guys, Canva, 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 Canva. Canva is a very powerful designing tool. It gives design stunning resumes. It gives you posts. It gives you presentations, whatever templates you may need. Canva has got you for this, my dear. Canva gives you templates for resumes, for portfolios, for flyer. Like you don't need to go pay that much money to the designer. You just use your Canva and then get templates and then do your things 3D. Then it has thousands of free templates and it is user friendly. It doesn't need you to have the design experience. Like you're the beginner, you just go to Canva. Okay. Tool number 5, and this is very important for anyone who is watching this, it is Grammarly. This is because most of the people, we find people posting blogs with a lot of grammar errors. And you ask yourself, why are they not using this grammar? Did they know it? Huh? So get grammar to fix your grammar and spelling in real time. Like you've made your documents, just take your Word document, put it in Grammarly. Let Grammarly do the correction work for you. Don't take much time proofreading. You just put it in Grammarly and then it's going to correct your spelling mistakes. Then it enhances writing for emails, for CV, and then for content. And the good part of Grammarly, it works with browsers, with Google Docs, and more. Like any writing tool is supportable by Grammarly. So Grammarly has got you for the typing errors. So don't keep on sending messages and emails with typo errors. Just use Grammarly. It's free. The final tip is choose the tool that suits your routine and then combine tools for the best results. Actually, the combination is the best, I would say. And then be consistent, keep consistency because consistency is more powerful than perfection. Keep using the tool to get more familiarized with the tool, okay? So thank you for taking your time to watch. I would encourage you to use those free tools to keep your life organized. Subscribe to the Digital Mom for more tips. Share this with someone starting the digital journey. Don't let others struggle. Please then leave a comment with your favorite tool. And if you want us to discuss more about these tools, send me a comment that let's discuss about this. Okay? So thank you. Have a good day. Happy Tuesday. Till meet again on Thursday. So